Techno Industrial Products offers QTY, QSL, QIU large flow air preparation units. From 1/4 to 2-inch female thread BSP. QTY is air regulator. With pure ADC 12 die casting aluminum body. Nickel-plated iron regulating handle. Metal locking nut and screw rod. 1/8 female BSP thread for pressure gauge connection. Patented new piston type inside construction. With long service. Precise pressure regulating. Can working at high pressure up to 20 bar. These regulators are widely used in the production control system for large flow process conditions, such as petroleum machinery, chemical plant, metallurgical plant, power station, and much more you can think of. Now we are seeing the working of QTY simply. Step 1. Rotate the locking nut upward. Step 2. Rotate the handle to the desired pressure. Step 3. Turn down the locking nut to lock the pressure. The adjusting pressure range is from 1.5 to 10 bar. We can get any pressure as desired in this range. QSL is air filter. With die casting aluminum body. 20 micrometers brass filter element. And polymer transparent plastic bowl. Brass manual drainer. Now we are seeing the working of QSL simply. When the compressed air flow into inlet port, filtered by the whirlwind of blade and filter element, the water and impurities will remain in the filter bowl, and the clean air will flow out from the outlet. When we find there is more water in the filter bowl, we need to turn on the manual drainer to discharge the water, to ensure the normal operation of the equipments. QIU is lubricator. With die casting aluminum body. High precision metal oil quantity adjusting knob. And polymer transparent plastic oil window. We can adjust the oil supply amount as we desired, according to the working conditions. These filters, regulators and lubricators can not only work separately, but also can work together as FRL. Now we are seeing. Like this it makes FRL. Which is a good combination to provide the ISO air for all the equipments of the pneumatic system. Thanks for watching.